If you're installing a ceiling light fixture and see minimum 90 degrees Celsius supply conductors on the light, the fixture can potentially generate too much heat for old wires in a ceiling electrical box. Homes built after 1985 have wires rated at 90 degrees Celsius. They can withstand 194 degrees Fahrenheit without damage. Older wires are rated at 60 degrees Celsius. They can only withstand 140 degrees Fahrenheit. If you put in a ceiling light rated for 90 degrees Celsius wire and use bulbs that are the max watt rating or higher, you could damage the insulation on old wires, causing arcing, a short circuit, or a shock hazard. For older homes, don't install fixtures that can generate too much heat. There are LED fixtures that don't have sockets that run cool for older wiring.